Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how I make spaghetti in my Instant Pot. So, without further ado, let's go. Okay guys, in my Instant Pot, I am adding in my ground beef. I'm going in with 2 pounds of ground beef. We are going to brown this. I have my Instant Pot set on saute. I'm adding in 2 nice tablespoons of Italian seasoning. And then I'm going in with some of my house seasoning, which is pretty much seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper mix, okay? I said this many times on my channel here of what I use in here as far as with the measurements, guys. Just use your judgment for how much you want to make. So we're going to go ahead and just brown our ground beef. So what I'm doing here, I'm just going ahead and move the meat to the side so that you can see the bottom and see that my ground beef did not render off that much fat. So the little fat it did render off, I'm going to leave that in here. So now I'm adding in my spaghetti noodles. And you guys can pretty much see what I'm doing here. I'm going one direction, pretty much going all over the place, okay? You don't want your spaghetti going the same way because they will stick. And yeah, guys, you already know. So I'm adding in a little water, a total of 3 cups actually, for added moisture in my Instant Pot. You guys know that's what make it work. The liquid steam up, pressurize, and everything just do what it do. And that's what helped your food to cook in the Instant Pot. So I just added in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and then 1 can of diced tomatoes. And I am a huge fan of rinsing out my cans. I don't like to leave anything behind. But also, guys, what I learned making my Instant Pot or spaghetti in my Instant Pot is that you want to coat those noodles, okay? So that's why I'm going ahead and give my noodles a good mix and make sure they're coated with that sauce. Because again, guys, it's pasta and you don't want it to stick. They like to be wet for some reason. So yeah, just make sure they're wet. So we're going to go ahead and set our Instant Pot for 8 minutes, guys. That's all it's going to take for your spaghetti to cook. 8 minutes. And will you look at this here, guys? I just made perfect, I'm not literally perfect spaghetti in my Instant Pot. It is not sticking. It's not overcooked. It's not undercooked. It is perfect, okay? 8 minutes, guys, on top of cooking the ground beef, which is what I cooked on saute for about 4 minutes. So 12 minutes tops, guys. You will have a perfect spaghetti dinner ready to go on the table, okay? So what I did was I went on ahead and just did a close-up so that you guys can see those noodles. Do you see that, guys? They, like I said, they are not overcooked. They are not undercooked. I made these to go with our fish. I have not had a fish fry in my house since before I moved to Texas. So I felt the need to make me a fish fry today on Friday. Because like I said, guys, I have not had this in years. Like I said, I fried some tilapia fish, made some garlic bread to go with. And yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Just showing you how I made my spaghetti in my Instant Pot. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.